Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you methods on how to fix video playback and play error 0xc1010103 in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. You would be redirected to the settings window. Just have to wait until everything is set here, okay? So once everything already, you need to proceed directly to the option called system. Click on it. And under the system tab, you need to scroll down and look for an option called troubleshoot. Okay. So here, you'd be able to see three options. Proceed with a third, which is other troubleshooters. Tap on it. And here you need to look for video playback. Again, look for video playback, run the troubleshooter, okay? And you just have to complete the procedure and definitely it will fix the problem for you, okay? So click on it and complete the process, put a lot of patience with it, and I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So this is the very first method that you can do. The second method that you can perform is at the start icon again, please do a right click and this time you need to go with device manager. Here at the device manager, you need to look for display adapters. Click this forward arrow and choose your graphic adapters or graphic cards. Please do a right click and go with update driver. Okay. So it will up to you to choose two options, which are search automatically and browse my computer for drivers manually. Proceed with the first. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed with search for updated drivers on Windows 11 and it will search for updated drivers. Just have to install that and yes, install it in your Windows. It might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it. Just have to connect with a strong connection, a Wi-Fi connection here in your Windows, okay? So check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then proceed to the third method. Our third method would be at the bottom search bar, you need to type for control panel. The moment you have typed that, proceed with the best match, click on open to continue. And once you have opened it, change the view into large icons. Once you have set it, proceed with internet options, which I can see it here. Click on it and wait until a new window, which is this, to appear. Okay. So here in the internet options, you need to proceed with advanced. Okay. And you need to check this box, use software rendering instead of GPU rendering. Click on apply and then okay. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. The last method that you can perform is you need to open the video into another application that you have in your Windows. So you can open it into Windows Media Player, VLC, any of the application that you have in your Windows. Try to open that, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.